Today's lesson is all about the long potting practice from the blue ball spot. It is not only essential to pot a ball, but also deliver cue in a smooth, delicate way, with lots of efficiencies just below the cue ball center stand shot. My name is Vilius Šultebert, a professional snooker coach from the Snooker Pro Club channel. This video is all about how to practice correctly. Good, effective, concentrated practice help you improve a lot. If you find our videos interesting and valuable, consider subscribing if you are new here. When you do long potting, keep your focus to a few technical areas in your game. First, stance setup position, balance, comfort. Second, aiming. Cue on the aiming line, center cue ball aiming. Third, grip, smooth but in control. Fourth, cue action, no body movement, head movement, backswing, cue delivery, cue ball speed. What to do if you missed a shot? Ask yourself what the main reason was. Usually there will be from 1 to 3 main reasons why you miss it. You have to ask yourself what exactly I have to do to fix it. If you don't know an answer, film yourself, tripod, friend's help, or whatever. Send a video to a snooker coach like me, which can give you a proper feedback. Like, there was one shot where I missed a long ball. The main reason was I was slightly too quick, too short backswing with a small body movement. I know what I have to change and correct myself before next shot. Hopefully guys you enjoyed the video and you will get future benefits. Share your opinion about this video in the comment section. Your ideas are valuable to us. Also tell us what do you want to see on the next videos. If somebody wants my snooker coaching online live or video training programs, text me directly to WhatsApp or Telegram. See you there!